Join today. We have these very few pages actually. This is setting the theoretical background of our course. I want to make sure that you all have this material with you, please, on paper or on tab, that's all right. But please don't use it or don't review the material on the phone, please. I don't allow phones used in the class, okay? هاي إن شاء الله مهمة الكل. المادة عندها ورقية، ما تستخدمون تليفونكم، أما تاب أو المادة تكون مطبوعة. Okay? زين. Again, we're going to talk today about, we're going to define what is scientific translation, right? What are the key aspects of scientific translation? What are the characteristics, the challenges, the theoretical approaches? We are going to discuss all of these things today. Now, the technique I use all the time when I teach theoretical material, I just want to make sure that you have the right knowledge. I want to make sure that you study this material. So what we're going to do for today is we're going to have groups. Each group will study part of the material, and then they're going to present to us this material here, okay, in front of all of the class. So the first group will be talking about the definition, the key aspects, right? Second group will be talking about the characteristics, then the challenges, then the approaches. Now, but before we do these groups, and for the sake of this thing, let's discuss in general about the definition and the key aspects. So, first of all, who can tell me, please, how can we define scientific translation? Who can tell me, how can we define scientific translation? Yes, please.
Scientific translation refers to the precise transfer of scientific, technical, and specialized texts from a source language into a target language, preserving meaning, terminology, style, and intended function.
Very good. So the first word you said is what?
Transferring the meaning.
Transfer, that's a translation. But the second word then? Precise, that's right. So when we define, students, when we define the scientific translation, we say it's a precise. يعني شنو precise? دقيق, exactly. Precise means دقيق, صحيح? Why we mention this word when we talk about scientific translation, specifically? Why? Yes, please.
Because this kind of translation lacks creativity. You have to be precise, you have to be accurate.
That's one, yes.
There is no room for error.
No room for error. That's right.
We can't use a literal translation.
We can or can't?
We can't.
We can't. Okay. This is the word. Bad. What else? Yes, please.
Some topics are really sensitive, so we have to be precise.
Exactly. Very sensitive. So we have to be precise.